Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're joining me today. We all lead such busy lives, but that doesn't mean we have to sacrifice our health. Eating well and quickly, now that's a delicious combination, isn't it? And over the next few minutes, I'm going to share 6 absolutely scrumptious recipes that are as easy on the eye as they are on the schedule. So let's get cooking, shall we? Let's start with a classic chicken, but with a little twist. We're going to stuff it with a vibrant mixture of spinach and feta cheese. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, and did I mention it's packed with protein and nutrients? It's the perfect meal after a long day, ready in a flash. Next, we have a dish that's as light as it is delightful. A quinoa salad bursting with colorful vegetables. Imagine crunchy cucumbers, sweet cherry tomatoes, and the earthy goodness of quinoa, all tossed in a light vinaigrette. It's a celebration of freshness, and you can whip it up in no time at all. Our third dish takes us on a culinary adventure to the east with a vibrant shrimp and broccoli stir-fry. The succulent shrimp, crisp broccoli, and a hint of ginger and garlic will tantalize your taste buds. It's a symphony of flavors, and it all comes together in minutes. For those days when you're really on the go, these turkey and avocado wraps are a lifesaver. Imagine tender turkey, creamy avocado, and a touch of spice, all wrapped up in a soft tortilla. It's a portable feast that's as satisfying as it is convenient. Let's talk about comfort food, shall we? This tomato basil pasta is a simple pleasure made with love and the freshest ingredients. Think juicy tomatoes, fragrant basil, and a drizzle of olive oil, all coating perfectly cooked pasta. It's a dish that soothes the soul and feeds the body. And to round off our quick and healthy menu, we have a smoothie bowl bursting with goodness. Imagine a symphony of flavors and textures. Creamy yogurt, sweet fruits, crunchy nuts, and a drizzle of honey. It's a breakfast of champions, a snack to revive you, and a dessert that doesn't leave you feeling guilty. Remember to like and subscribe. I do hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey with me. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. These 6 recipes are proof that you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals even when you're short on time. So go on, give them a try and let me know what delights you whip up in your kitchens. Until next time, happy cooking.